Dream Gym is 5 years old. It came about because our middle son Ivan wanted to start doing gymnastics, and there was just a long waiting list, nearly 2.5 years for him to be able to get a place. So we just decided to run a session for him and his friends. 5 years later it snowballed and we've got our own place. It's evolved. You know, we filled one class, we opened another class, when that was filled.
Dan eisiau pawb ddod I start lawr y fan hyn ta? Trwy gael o'n gynt wrth I ti
I think
fynd,
it's really important for children in this area that it's done through the medium of Welsh, because Welsh is their natural language for most of the kids.
Even though people think in Gwynedd that everybody and everything is in, you know, through the medium of Welsh, that's not entirely true.
They may not have that much English to begin with, so I think it's important that they understand everything that's being said to them by the instructors, and also that they can ask questions if they don't understand or if they're worried about something.
I don't like speaking English that much. I like speaking Welsh a lot.
I can speak Welsh with my friends when I'm out of school and when I'm doing my sports.
So we do have a range of abilities, and we have some children with additional needs. So we try and make allowances for those children without changing what they are taking part in.
As you're growing up, you need to be able to connect with something to say, this is me. You know, I go to school, but I also do gymnastics.
I enjoy making new friends, getting new skills and just having fun.
I like go on the bar and on the beam.
We have a child who is registered blind, and so we adapted some of the equipment in order to make sure that she could see all the edges. So we spray edges in yellow.
It helps because I can see the edge of the trampoline and the edge of the beam and stuff, because if I didn't have that, then I wouldn't know where to jump from and where to land.
She does everything and she never shows fear. I'm sure she feels it, but she never shows it. What she has achieved is amazing.
They're really good coaches, and I like coming because it's fun, but it's also challenging.
Come a long way. It's taken a lot of work. It's been everybody that contributed to the club, but yes, so we're definitely really proud of what we've achieved.